Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about positioning views relative to the parent layout and some of the most common attributes. When you use a relative layout, you need to tell Android where you want its view to appear relative to other views in the layout or to its parent. A view's parent is the layout that contains the view. If you want a view to always appear in a particular position on the screen, irrespective of the screen size or orientation, you need to position the view relative to its parent. As an example, here's how you would make sure a button always appears in the top right corner of the layout. The lines of code Android layout align parent top is equal to true, Android layout align parent right is equal to true, mean that the top edge of the button is aligned to the top edge of the layout and the right edge of the button is aligned to the right edge of the layout. This will be the case no matter what the screen size or orientation of your device. Let's look at some of the most common attributes for positioning views relative to their parent layout. Add the attribute you want in the view you are positioning, then set its value to true. Android attribute is equal to true. Android layout align parent bottom. Aligns the bottom edge of the view to the bottom edge of the parent. Android align parent left. Aligns the left edge of the view to the left edge of the parent. Android layout align parent right. Aligns the right edge of the view to the right edge of the parent. Android layout align parent top. Aligns the top edge of the view to the top edge of the parent. Android layout center in parent. Centers the view horizontally and vertically in the parent. Android layout center horizontally. Centers the view horizontally in the parent. Android layout center vertical. Centers the view vertically in the parent. That's it for this video. I'll be continuing more about the relative layout in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment on this video, which really motivates me to make such useful content for you. Also, don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you, and finally subscribe to my channel.